In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of AI to create compelling content with the help of Copilot. Whether you're working on a Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, or any other application, this guide will walk you through the process of drafting, editing, and sharing AI-generated content seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the application of your choice. For our demonstration, you can choose Word if you're focusing on written content, PowerPoint for engaging presentations, or any other compatible app where you'd like to integrate AI assistance. The beauty of using these applications is their familiarity. So even if you're new to using AI tools, you'll feel right at home in these environments. Once the application is up and running, you'll want to look for Copilot, your AI assistant. This powerful tool can help you draft anything from blog posts to intricate presentations just by utilizing a few prompts from you. When you call upon Copilot, be as clear as possible about your goals. For example, you might say, create a summary of recent industry trends or draft a social media post about our latest product. Providing as many details as possible will enable the AI to generate content that's closely aligned with your needs. After Copilot presents you with a draft, the next crucial step is editing and customizing this content to make it truly yours. While AI can provide a solid foundation, human insight and creativity are essential to make sure your content stands out. Check for any specific facts or figures and tailor the tone of the piece to reflect your personal or brand's voice. You might find that tweaking the structure or adding unique insights will enhance the overall message you're trying to convey. Don't hesitate to make these edits, as they will ensure the final product meets your exact standards. Finally, when your content is polished and ready, it's time to share it with the world. Whether you're publishing a blog post, sharing a presentation with your team, or posting on social media, each platform will have its own way of accepting the content. For documents, that might involve saving as a PDF or directly publishing online. For presentations, sharing links or embedding slides might be more appropriate. Make sure to consider who your audience is and how best they can engage with your content. By utilizing these sharing features efficiently, you're broadening your reach and impact. And there you have it, a straightforward way to draft, refine, and share content using AI tools like Copilot. Creating content has never been so efficient and accessible, providing you with more time to focus on creativity and strategic thinking. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these steps useful in enhancing your productivity. Be sure to explore the many possibilities AI can offer and how it might assist you further in your future projects.